Today, we are excited to introduce Divi VIP, a new service that provides customers with VIP support along with other benefits such as bigger discounts in the Divi marketplace. First, let's talk about VIP support. VIP support gets you the same great support you already get with your membership, but with faster response times and fewer escalations. It's an add-on for those that run their business on Divi and see the value in getting help faster around the clock. Providing amazing value across the board has always been one of our top priorities. We like to surprise and delight our customers with a level of support at a price that seems too good to be true. That's part of our secret sauce, and it's why we have 20,000 plus 5-star reviews on Trustpilot, most of which were written after interacting with our support team. We also realize that for some customers, squeezing out the maximum value from their incredibly affordable $89 subscription simply isn't the priority, especially when their entire business runs on Divi, and that ultimately we are working within the limitations of that subscription price when it comes to support. We want the opportunity to push the envelope and to be able to provide exactly the level of support that you or your clients demand. VIP support promises 30-minute response times, and more often than not, response times will be faster than that. The VIP support team will also be more saturated with experienced support staff. It's less likely your support ticket will need to be escalated, which means less time lost during the transition between different technicians. This doesn't mean that you'll get better support with Divi VIP, it just means that you'll get access to the best support faster. No matter if you are a Divi VIP member or not, you are ultimately going to receive the same great help from our team. VIP support is a great lifeline for Divi agencies and freelancers. The difference between getting help right away versus waiting an hour or so could mean the difference between a happy client and an angry client. Our goal is to always be in your corner and to give you the support you need to run a great web design business. VIP support is also passed on to your team members and clients. Everyone on your team, even if they are a client, will enjoy the benefits of VIP support when the account owner purchases Divi VIP. You can start to see what an amazing deal this is, and once again, we want you to be surprised and delighted with the value you receive. In addition to VIP support, we are adding other member benefits that on their own are worth the price of admission. The first of those benefits are increased savings in the Divi marketplace. Divi VIP members get a 10% discount on all purchases of participating products in the Divi marketplace, and that's stacked on top of any active sale. If you are an avid purchaser of Divi products, this membership pays for itself in savings and you end up getting VIP support for free. That 10% discount comes 100% from the Elegant Themes portion of the sale. We're giving away that value, which benefits Divi VIP members and marketplace creators. If you are interested in purchasing Divi VIP, head over to elegantthemes.com/VIP. If you are already happy with the great support provided with your membership, that's even better, and it's only going to get better over time. We look forward to putting our large support team and our years of experience to work, and to give you exactly the level of support you and your clients need to be successful.